south.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you're in the mobile home park, I can.
Alright. I'll have to tell my grandpa. So.
Okay. If you want to see something though, when I spray this zone, just for future reference, okay, the way it works when we spray, we're assigned a start time, right? So we start spraying 15 minutes after the sun goes down, so we don't kill bees or non-target pests.
But wait, what time do you spray? Like
it ranges. So what the weather channel tells you for the sunset time, add 15 minutes onto that, and that's when we'll fire it up and start going.
Alright.
So if you look, I haven't highlighted anything on here just because I'm so used to this zone, but I start up here, right? And I work this. I work all of my rights off of Little Road going south. I work this, and then I get to you here on Osteen.
There he is. There's the Mosquito truck over there. I see a spray. If you look very closely.
Yep, I see him. Yep.
Oh my god. Alright, can I look at the machine? If that's alright with you?
Look at the machine?
Alright. Well guys, this is the Mosquito sprayer. You know this, everybody. This is the spray truck. So much people out tonight.
Way up there.
Just getting every shot, guys. You know what I mean. Yeah.
This is it. This is truck 85. And the difference about this truck, the beacon on top, it flashes really fast.
Oh
compared
yeah,
to the other
there's
ones.
like this one is.
Yeah.
Can you turn it on?